Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC Global Exchange. In order to do this, you first have to launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and then you just have to provide your passcode or your email address and password, and you simply need to log into your account. Now, once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on this trade tab in the bottom, and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here you need to make sure that you are in the sports section. So as you can see over here that I am currently in this sports section. After that you will have to select the pair of BTC USDT in order to select it. You will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and then in the search bar you will have to type BTC. Once you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different pairs relating to BTC, but you will have to select BTC/USDT. Afterwards, in the buy section, you are going to see the limit written over here. So you need to tap on limit, and then you need to select it as market. After that, instead of buy, you will have to tap on sell. And in order to convert your BTC to USDT, you must have BTC in your wallet. Now, if you have BTC, then you can select the market price. And after that, you just have to enter the BTC that you want to sell. Once you have done that, it will show you the USDT that you are going to get in exchange. Then you need to tap on this sell BTC option in the bottom, and your order will be placed, and you will be able to convert BTC to USDT. If you want to view it, then you will have to tap on this wallet tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and there you will be able to see your USDT in your account. This is the simplest and easiest way to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.